Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we'll be doing a tumbler cup with epoxy and using mica powders. So the first thing I did was take my stainless steel tumbler and I put some spray paint on it. I actually changed my mind. I was going to use this matte white and I ended up doing a black instead. So micas come in lots of different colors. You can get them in a metallic or just a regular vibrant color. Micas are stone minerals that are grounded into a powder, and they will be very shimmery, pearl-like. You get different metallic and pearl-like effects from them. Just depends on the colors that you buy. So I'm going to go ahead and sort those out and determine which colors I'm going to throw on this cup today. So I've gone ahead and mixed my epoxy. I have a 1-to-1 ratio epoxy. Make sure you read the directions for yours because some are 2-to-1. I'm going to go ahead and use the finger method to put a nice layer of epoxy all over my cup. Side note, I have all the bags of my mica opened and ready to use next. I saw a few air bubbles, so I'm just hitting those with my heat gun to make sure that the epoxy, when it dries, it is nice and even and there are no bubbles to be seen. Using a crafter's toothpick, I'm going to dip that into the mica and just tap it over the cup and just let it fall and go where it goes. So you just keep adding the mica until you're satisfied with how it looks. Now if you'll notice at the top and the bottom of the cup, the mica kind of spun a little more around the cup. I had taken the heat gun and heat those two areas up a little bit to get the epoxy moving a little more. That's why it did it like that. Whereas the middle, it just has this nice galaxy-like effect going on. So depending on which way you want to do it, and I did it both ways, that way you could see it on the cup both ways. If you add more epoxy and flood it, the mica will also move more. So it really just depends on what type of look you want to go for. Now I haven't decided what decal I want to go with this. I'm kind of thinking an Area 51. I think that would be super cute with this theme that I have going on. I just haven't fully decided on that yet, so I don't have a decal on it. I did only need the one coat of epoxy. This came out crystal clear. I love it. It's amazing. If I do put a decal on it, I will do another layer of epoxy. Anyway, guys, that's that. I do hope you enjoyed this video and you'll want to test out some micas. If you hit the Amazon link in the description box, go under the file that says All Things Epoxy. You'll find different micas that I use. It is affiliate link, so I do earn a little commission if you buy anything from that. I do use those commissions to put back into this channel. Anyway, guys, if you have a comment, feel free to leave one down below. I do answer questions as often as I can. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Share it if you want to. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time, guys, happy crafting! And just wanted to show the cup where you can see some of the glow-in-the-dark mica in there. If you haven't seen my other video about glow-in-the-dark mica, I will link that in the description box below as well.